So in the distance there, you can see the cliffs at the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland. Now if we pan over here, and we see the town of Portrush, and follow the train. And this train is going to the nearest train station, which is in Portrush, not at Dunluce or Portbaltray or any of the other towns along the north coast here. So what used to happen is people used to be able to get off the train here at Portrush and then get the electrified tram. And we've already seen videos going along the tram line, certainly the Bushmills half of it. But what we see here is this is the end of the line, basically. This is Portrush station, and unfortunately if you're taking the train to Giant's Causeway, well, you have to get off here and then make other arrangements. So really what we need is a new electrified train route along the north coast, and it could take us all as far as the Giant's Causeway, and it could be a proper tourist destination once again, like in the good old days. But unfortunately, here we are. Everyone has to get off at Portrush of all places, and I'm afraid once you're in Portrush, it's hard to make your escape. So if you found this little video to be informative, please like, follow and subscribe.